Wow, what an amazing harvest. I don't know how one or two red ones snuck their way in there, because I only planted the golden ochres, but as you can see that's quite a substantial amount of produce considering where it was planted. And that's it. I didn't even need to use a rake. As you can see, I just used my bare hands and just flattened the ground again, the wood chips, and what compost did come up on top of the wood chips will actually wash back down again, and the worms will also retreat back down into the compost layer again as well. So a small bit of disturbance. Doesn't really require digging to take them out, other than removing the mulch layer really. You don't have to take up any of the compost layer. Well, it might happen, but just a small bit might come up with the roots of the plants as you're taking the tubers. So there you are now. What I'll do is I'll give them a small bit of a rinse just to show you them better. Now we'll wait until the water drains, and then we're going to weigh them. And whoever comes closest on our YouTube comments will win a little sample, and we'll post them to you. Here's our little scale. That only goes to 5 kilos, so I'm not sure if it'll be more than 5 kilos. Let's see. So all the water has actually dripped out from the bottom. There's holes in the bottom of this pot. So let's see. Are you ready? And by the way, the pot weighs 300 grams. I've weighed that beforehand. Whoa! So 4.2 kilos. There we are now. 4.19 kilos. Alright. Whoever came closest, we'll take a look at YouTube as I'm posting this video, and I'll send you a message. We'll send you a sample. Congratulations! And that's a cool harvest from a small patch of oca that was here. Only took about probably 10 minutes to plant these, and maybe 10 minutes to harvest them, and no maintenance whatsoever throughout the year. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one. Bye bye.